Okay, every pony, you will be ready to start doing some magic in groups. Now, I will put you guys in teams. I will put you guys in teams. So, Pegasi, their ponies, and unicorns will go with their teams. Rainbow Crush, or do you have your skateboard? It looks cool. Of course. So, let me count. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ew. Well, there's an odd number of teams, so yeah. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Oh, Chili, that's why. Chili, why are you there? Oh, sorry. I'm her helper. No. I'm helping with this team. Yes, and this now perfect. Okay, so our training will start with the helicopter. So I want everybody to back away from the helicopter where that team is. Now remember, you're against each other, so keep it up. Get your style. Okay, Cherry, let's begin. Okay. Now, I need everybody to think of a team name together. You guys need to think of an awesome team name. Think of one. I have one. How about, since we have girls here, how about our team name should be, What is it? Well, any ideas? Sparkle, shining, amazers, popular, awesome. I just think of one. Popular stars. Perfect. Ooh, nice. Our team name is Popular Stars. Okay, you guys, what should you I got one, and it is the Wonder Colts. Get it? Get it? Awesome. Our teammate is Shadow Colts. Wait, what? Wonder Colts. What the heck? What kind of name is that? Who came up with that? I did. And what kind of name is the Popular Stars? Like, almost everybody used that name. I made up my own. And you came up with that name in My Little Pony Crush Your Girls movie. So pretty sure not people take names from other people who actually made a movie to that. So yeah. Whatever. This is why we're against each other. Whatever. Wish we were never friends in the past. Me either. Well, this is going crazy. Find out on next time what happens to the opponents. Will the Popular Star wins or loses, or will the Shadow Boats win? The Wonder Coats win or they lose. Find out on next time of, well, whatever the title's called. I'm gonna think of one real quick. Bye.